So as we can see here, this is a Athearn Genesis Conrail quality SD60M. And as we look on this side, we have the numbers 5516 with the SD60M right there as well, with a full cab interior in there and see-through windows. There's also a see-through vent right here with a fan inside, grab irons all across with the Conrail quality logo right there as well. There's a panel, and of course a couple more vents right here. And then on the back we have a number board, grab irons to replicate steps. We have marker lights, number boards, the Conrail logo, chain going across the grab irons. We also have some steps on both sides. We also have some a coupler here and a couple of coupler lever as well. And on this side we have some more panels and a Conrail quality logo once again with grab irons all the way across. There's once again a vent, another panel there. On this side there's a door that leads into the cab, the number and the SD60M as well. There is a couple of other smaller details too. On this side there is a fuel tank and a generator. Then on the front we have the Conrail quality logo with the lights up here, number boards as well, grab irons, windshield wipers, grab irons to replicate a ladder, and a chain in the middle. There's a door as well, and grab irons on the sides, and ditch lights are down here as well with the plow and the coupler as well. And on the top we have a nice fan here, an antenna, and a little panel and a horn and fans back here as well. Now on the other side, just generator and wheels. I wanted to get an Athearn Genesis locomotive for myself to see how good they actually are. And this one, it was expensive, but wow, just details alone, it looks amazing. And I really cannot wait to run this thing. I've always wanted a Conrail locomotive, so this is really exciting. And as we can see here, this is a Norfolk Southern Scaletrains operator covered hopper. On this side we have the NS logo with the road number 298067. Behind his weight as well, plate C, some text across the car. We also have a good view of the bays down here as well. On this side we have the NS road number as well, and then a ladder and a brake wheel, chain, air brake reservoir details back in the hatch as well. And there's a coupler too. On this side we have a nice side view of the air brake details. Once again the NS logo and the road number with the plate C as well, text across, and the bays. And on this side it's just two ladders and of course space in the hopper down there. On the top, nice rivet pattern all across on the roof, and these are probably some openings on the hopper. And down here we have the hatches for the three bays. Since I made my trip to Horseshoe Curve recently, I figured I might as well get a Norfolk Southern piece of rolling stock to go with my Norfolk Southern locomotive. And yeah, this hopper looks really nice. It's going to go really well with my CSX one.